I'm just trying to clear up this room. This is the spare room, and I want it painted, and it's quite messy. I want to use this as my yeah, this is the guest room, but I want to use it as my beauty room. We barely have guests in our house, and yeah, there's a lot of mess, so you'll see me trying to clean it up. We have a guy coming in next week to paint it. I don't have the strength for painting. I don't have the time for it. I don't have the patience for it, but you will see as I go on to decorate it and work on it. It's quite a big room. As you can see, that's the bed. These are things that were at the corner here, and you can see that's where all my shoes are. Some summer clothes, some of them already in vacuum bags. Or is that actually so I have those there in the vacuum bag ready to go up in the attic. And yeah, I just need to clear this room now. As I said, the guy is coming in next week. I need to have it all sorted out. Keep watching. So as I said, I'm just waiting for the guy to come in. I've just finished taking everything out. Today is Tuesday, so I'm hoping that everything will be done. This is the paint actually. I thought I'll show you. Fleetwood, that's the one I'm using. Fleetwood premium soft sheen, pure white, pure brilliant white. And I just got those as well from Woody's. Those are just brushes he asked me to get. And this, what do you call it, one coat damp seal. So we actually have down up there on the corner. As you can see, my husband tried to clean it up a little bit, but yeah. And I think at the corner here you can see how gross it looks. There was a box here, a very long box that we had, and yeah, we're just gonna try and make this room look a little bit nice and smell nice too. cutting boards, 2 coats, so they look pretty good. I'm happy about that. And I painted the door, so everything is all white. I just painted the, what do you call this side just now, but I painted the door earlier, and as you can see, it's really nice. It looked more cream, but I'm so happy that it's all done. That's paint. So yeah, and I painted the window frame as well, the window sill. It looks good. It looked cream in color earlier, which I didn't really like. And yeah, so that's it. My work is done here, so I need to get rid of all these things. This is the leftover floor, and these are my wardrobe. And there's a shelf. So this is the wardrobe here. There's 3 pieces, and then this is a shelf that my husband will have me put up, and I have a desk as well that needs to come in here. So what I need to do is clear up. So everything in here is white, perfectly white. I love it. But I'm gonna put different color furnitures just to. So I've finished painting everything. I need to get some curtains. I need to get, I'm thinking of getting like a rug for the floor. But first of all, what I'm going to do is we're going to assemble the wardrobe, because that's where I put my jackets, my winter jackets. And I'm finally done with painting everything. My back really hurts, but I'm glad it's all done. Anyway, I'm gonna go have a quick shower, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. I don't know what I'll be doing, probably assembling up all these bits and pieces. But until then, keep watching. So this room was our guest room, and we barely used it. We barely have guests, or if they are, we have them maybe 1 or twice a year. So I thought, you know what, I need to make use of this room, because I think it's the south facing side, so there's more sunlight coming through this room. And I used to do my makeup in the bedroom, in our main bedroom, and there is no proper light coming in. So I was like, I'm gonna do up this room and just kind of brighten it a little bit. So yeah, as you've seen, what you will be able to see some of the things that I did. I got rid of most of everything, went shopping, bought few things, and I love this room. It's my beauty room, it's my office, it's my exercising room, it's my storage for my jackets and my shoes and my handbags. It's a place I can put my books and my decoration. So yeah, I'm gonna take you around and I'm going to show you what I did with it. Yeah, most of the colors here are white, and I have a shelf that is black and few black and silver things going around in this room. I just love how bright it is. Still hunting down for a rug, but I'm still looking because I have a specific color in mind. So when I get that, I will show you guys how the final look. But this is how it's 99.5 completed. So join me, let me take you around and we'll see how it looks. So as you come through the door, the first thing you see is my makeup area. So this is where I store up all my makeup. My brushes, my foundations are at the back there, then that little thing, and some of my lighting. So I have this ring light, I have my mirror there, hello there, another mirror. So those are just extra lights that I have. Some of my foundation brushes, my pencils, and this desk of mine that I got in IKEA. I think I did talk about it in it has a little hole here, but I don't think I'm not using that at the moment. So that is the desk, and as you open it, that's where all my makeups are. Some of my makeups are, actually all of them, and that's how simple it is. And then my little office area. So I have my computer, my monitor, sorry, my everything that I need for working in an office if you need to. And I love this shelf. I got this shelf I think in Aldi, and I've just stored up some of my books, my diaries, and all those things that I write on, and just a simple chair. And these curtains, I got them in Hurricanes here in Ireland, and I just have love the color of them. I know, like, maybe if I stand this so you'll be able to see. So you can see the color is really nice. It has kind of peachy color and white in it. And I have these sheer net curtains as well. I have some Venetian blinds that are meant to go up, but they haven't been put up yet, so we're going to take a little bit of time to do that. And the next thing that I have is this shelving unit. So I got this shelving unit in IKEA, and so it has the top part, 1, 2, 3. It has 4 all together. So at the top there, I have flowers, different plants there, same on all the other shelves. And then there are some of my favorite books that I keep going back. Yeah, some my decoration. One of my favorite plant, my Monstera monkey plant. So here I've stored up some of my hair products. Some of them are in the bathroom. And this cacti that I love, it looks like Shrek. You can see up close. And yeah, and those are some of my videoing equipments that I have down there. I have some hair products there, some extensions and all that. And down there is a little kind of timetable. I write down some of the things that I want to do during the week. If I have work to do or videos that I need to work on, I write them on that. I'm yet to decide where to put it up, but as per moment it's there. And I have this mirror here. I got this mirror, and it was a brown mirror, and I just spray painted it silver. I want to do something with it because it's kind of the color does come out very quickly, so I do want to paint it up and make it up a little bit nicely. I have my plant here. I can't remember what you call it, but yeah, I've had this for a while. I have my shoe rack, and yeah, some of them are up in the attic. My boots are there, and this is the wardrobe that I got in I'm just gonna move back a little bit. So this is the wardrobe I got in IKEA, and it's pretty good. I got it actually on sale. It was 150. It was from 300 euros. So my husband put it all together for me, and it looks small on the camera, but it's actually quite big. And I love how it's not just pure white, it has like a different color there, so I do love that. And down here I have all my exercising things that I need: my kettlebells, my dumbbells, my mat. I have my ball here, and I have my workout plan here that I normally use if I'm working out from home. So yes, and actually the floor, that is the color of the floor. It's kind of gray. It has kind of gray white color to it, and it has this kind of woody texture, which I love, love, love. And my little rug that I have there. So yeah, that's basically my room. I have that painting canvas from, I got it in Kenya last year, and it's meant to go in the sitting room, but I'm like, I'm gonna keep it here. Or I think it doesn't go really well with the colors, but I think it just kind of gives a nice bright color. I know it should go to the sitting room, but anyway, yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So that's me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy the video. But until next time, don't forget to share, like, comment, and press on the bell button, and you'll be notified every single time that I upload a video. Until then, bye for now.